Cass, I was stuck to you like gravity from the start. You have forever changed my life. Before I met you, I felt like a shell of myself, just watching time go by. I was lost until you came along.
You look beautiful.
Thank you for helping me ground myself and come back to who I am. I love exploring the world with you.
Greg, it's hard to be sure, but I believe that you've made it your life's mission to have lips that will never lie to me or scream at me in anger. You reserve patience for my hesitancy to trust, and you continually show me that it's safe to love, even though my core tells me that it's dangerous. You show me that you aren't going to run away when shit gets tough, or hide when you see my broken parts. Instead, you stick around to help me heal, not only from our hurt, but from all the hurt that came before us. Because of this, we have created a love that learns with every turn and grows with every step. Be it forward or backward, our love, above all things, heals, grows, and protects. Our love isn't what it is because we've dreamt of it. Our love is what it is because we've made it this way. We choose it. Over everything else, we choose each other.
Thank you for being unapologetically you. You're someone who I look up to, someone who inspires me. Thank you for loving me unconditionally as a girl.
I'm eternally grateful for you and the way that you hold me when my mind is turbulent. You have taught me that pain is temporary, but real love can be eternal. You show me daily that I am everything for you. Thank you for standing by my side and saying, fuck the world. Middle fingers flying high, living our best life in our own little world where only you and me and the kids exist.
Your warm embrace is the best part of every day. And on the darkest and coldest of nights, you are the light that shines. You are my beacon home.
Thank you for giving me a love that reminds me that the best is yet to come. I'm so excited to spend eternity with you.
I choose you, and you choose me. I love you, Cass, so fucking much.